Hey guys, so in today's video I wanted to cover off how to get SEO backlinks for your cleaning business. So backlinks, for those of you that don't know, are essentially links from other websites back to your cleaning company. And the reason why these are really important is that when Google is deciding which companies to rank at the top of page 1 and in the map section, one of the key things that they're looking at is the backlinks. And the backlinks they see as effectively as votes of confidence. So the backlink strategy is a very important part of what we do with local SEO. Usually what happens is that once we have a website set out in the right way, we've built out the service pages, we've built out the location pages, then the next key bit of work is looking at backlinks. So in this video, what I've done is I've just done a quick audit of this company, Grubby's Cleaning. They are based in Victoria in British Columbia, and you can see here when I type it into Google that they're not visible in the map section. So one of the things that we want to be doing when we are looking at backlinks is thinking about, okay, looking at the companies that are performing better above the company and thinking, okay, which backlinks do they have that we don't? So there's various softwares that we use in here, but one of the things that we do use is a software called Local Falcon, and this basically shows us, if we type in, for example, house cleaners for this particular location, this company is basically not getting any coverage. It's all red. They're not ranking on the Google Maps section. And we can see that when we looked at the Google Map before. So when we are looking at backlinks, what this type of software will then allow you to do is say, okay, we're not ranking in those top 3 positions. Let's look at some of the companies that are ranking well. So what I would do very quickly to get a feel of the backlinks is I would just take some of the top ranking companies. So we've got Balance Home, Root and Rise, and Honeybee. And I've just had a look at their websites here. So we're looking at why are they ranking well, and this is some of the things that are important when we're thinking about setting up their websites. But what we can do is that we can plug these 3 companies into a backlinked software like Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is usually what we use. They have a really great database of backlinks. So what we can do is if we go to Ahrefs, type in Grubby's Cleaning, there's a lot of information here. Many of you, I wouldn't get too bogged down in this, but this is basically saying the backlink profile is pretty minimal. There's no real backlinks for this business. So, on the plus side, there's lots of potential to get this business ranked higher up in Google. And, the other thing to say is if you're getting good Google rankings, that will also help with your AI visibility as well. But what we can do is if you guys are using something like Ahrefs, you can go to something called a link intersect feature. And what we'll do is we'll basically just type in the 3 companies into Ahrefs and see which links that those companies have that we don't. So let's type this one in first. Balance Home, let's go to Root and Rise, and then Honeybee. And let's show the link opportunities. And what this will do is, those 3 companies are ranking very well in the Google Maps area at the moment. So what this is doing is it's saying, okay, there are 108 domains, 108 websites that are not linking to Grubby's Cleaning, but are linking to those top ranked companies. So in theory, what should be clear is that, okay, if those companies are ranked well in Google, they've got these backlinks, but this other company hasn't. If we built similar backlinks to what those top ranking companies have, then that should help with our rankings. And this is really what we're doing here. So you can see that there's lots of domains down here. If you go down this list, you'll see, okay, which companies have these links, which don't. You can see Balance Homes has 4 links for these. So we've got a business awards website, a Profile Canada. Honeybee's got the same sort of thing, and this gives us the domains, but we can also have a look at the specific pages. And with the specific pages, there will be lots of links here that aren't relevant for us. Lots of spammy links, SEO links. You don't need to worry about that. But if you scan down this list, you can see there is some interesting. This looks like a local website here. I'll let that load up in a second. So this is a potential interest. It's come up again. There's a BBB backlink here. So potentially we might want to think about getting a BBB listing. So if we just wait to load up, see. Let's have a look at this vLocal website, for example. Give me a moment, and you can see here this is basically a directory of house cleaners of Vancouver Island. So we want to try and get our company listed down here. That would be an obvious thing to do. And then as we know, the Better Business Bureau, again, you can get a free listing or a premium listing down here. So really the first thing you want to be doing is looking at this free listing campaign, but there will be a long list of companies and websites and web directories where those top ranking companies are ranked, but you're not. So this is a really good way to go about it. Backlinks, you can generally get backlinks that are free to get, backlinks that you need to pay for. Maybe you are putting a guest post on a particular website, some newspaper website, for example. But really, when I'm looking at thinking about how do we get this company going from these rankings where they basically have no visibility to getting in these top 3 positions here, we firstly need to look at these websites, think about what does the website look like. Often they'll be missing the key service pages, the location pages. That would be very obvious when you compared that company to the top ranking ones. But once we have built out all those pages on the website, then we need to look at backlinks and then start thinking about how do we get more backlinks. And really the best place to start is thinking about what are the top competitors that are doing, where are they getting links from, and if we can get those links as well, that will also help boost us. Once we've got all those links that our competitors have done, we can then go thinking about how do we get new links that our other competitors haven't got, and that is how we eventually outrank these competitors and get into this top 3 positions in Google Maps. So I hope that's helpful for you. Let me know if you are interested in me doing a quick audit of your website as well. I do loads of these each month, so happy to do similar for you. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to book that in. All right then, many thanks.